Hey, it's Raphael Gonzalez, your Treasure Coast real estate agent. Today we'll be in Avenir in Palm Beach Gardens, which is going to be a massive luxury planned community. So if you want to see more of what they have to offer, stay until the end and remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos. So here we have the Prestige model. This home is going to give you 2,080 square feet under air, 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. And when you enter this home, you'll notice a long hallway that leads into the great room, kitchen, and dining area. You'll find the owner's suite in the back of the home and the other 2 rooms in the front of the home, with 1 bedroom having its own ensuite bath and walk-in closet. There are a lot of customizations that you can do to this home, like you can choose between having a tub in the master or an oversized walk-in shower, and you can extend the lanai and put extra sliders off from the dining area to let in more natural light and give more utility for indoor-outdoor living. And they offer this home design in multiple different communities in Port St. Lucie and Palm Beach. But if you're looking for something more move-in ready or don't want to worry about the entire construction process, they have some homes for sale in their communities. So if you want more information about those or you want to see more of their homes, reach out. I help a lot of clients and subscribers with buying, building, and selling here in Florida, and I'd be happy to help you. Otherwise, take a look around, make sure you stay until the end, and enjoy the home. Hopefully you enjoyed that video tour, but this is just one of the many beautiful homes Palm Beach Gardens in South Florida has to offer. And as always, I'm going to put my information right up here. If there are any questions you have about any community, or if you're looking to get into this area, want to get an idea if this would work for you, I'm here to help you with that.